In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell event tickets on your Wix website. To get started, let's first log into your Wix account. You'll want to go to the Wix homepage at www.wix.com. Once there, click on the login button to access your account. Navigate to the specific website where you plan to sell your tickets. With your site open in the Wix editor, we'll jump into adding the app that will make ticket selling a breeze. Now we need to add Wix events to your site. Instantly, in the editor, you'll find a plus add button. Hover over it and click on App Market. In the App Market search bar, type Wix Events. Look for the option and then click Add to Site. This will integrate Wix Events into your website where all the magic happens. Next, let's set up your event. In the newly added Wix Events section, you should see an option to Manage Events. Click on it and select Plus New Event to get going. Here is where you'll input all your essential event details. Make sure to fill in the event name, date and time, location, whether it's a physical address or a virtual link, and a thorough event description complete with images. This information will be crucial for your audience to understand exactly what they're signing up for. With the basics covered, let's move on to enabling ticket sales. Within your event settings, there should be a Tickets section. Click into this area to add different ticket types such as general admission or VIP. For each ticket type, set your desired price, quantity, or capacity, and you can even offer enticing early bird discounts. Make sure to also enable online payment options. This way, you can accept payments directly through the Wix platform, simplifying the transaction process for you and your attendees. If you're looking to gather more personalized attendee information, customizing your registration form will be the next step. Add fields for details like name, email, phone number, and any special requests attendees may have. This is optional but can be necessary for organizing a successful event. Now let's make your event page visually appealing. Customize the layout using strips, columns, and galleries. This is your chance to showcase event images, add countdown timers, or even integrate location maps. Importantly, ensure that the Buy Tickets button stands out and is easy for visitors to find. Before going live, it's vital to preview and test everything. Click Preview to simulate the ticket purchasing process. As you test, verify that tickets can be selected and added to the cart without issues, payments processed correctly, and confirmation emails are promptly sent to attendees. Finally, once everything looks perfect, it's time to publish your event. Click the Publish button to make your event live on the web. After going live, share your event page link far and wide, on social media, through email, and of course, right on your website. Your event is now ready to welcome attendees. Enjoy!